Shankar of IIT. He is the professor. When I discovered the method to detect earthquake, I developed the next generation science. He asked me, Sonakia, everyone will laugh on you. You go to SCI Florida, they are the international conferences. We don't know. I went to that conference, I applied to that conference. It was a PDF format in which I sent the paper. I deposited fee of $400 at the time, 2003, and therefore I was offered the post of co-chairman of that conference. After that, Indian Geophysical Union, so many universities, IIT, Roorkee, I delivered lecture in this IF also. But again I am telling, there is no innovation forum in India that does not exist. I went to RTA also against the science and technology in CSIR. I dealt with the IBM also. But the biggest problem in India, we don't get back reply because there is no science forum. How many of you understand about the Article 51AH of the Constitution of India? Before shaping future of India, tell me. How many of you know about the IPR protection? You have to become commando if you want to enter in the international arena. That is very basic thing. You have to learn all these things. Do you know about patents? Whether there is any cell in the college which tells about patent, how to apply it. I applied for patent in 2004, and in India it takes 4-year time to get a patent. This is a sorry state of affair. Mathematics is not patentable in India. Again I am telling, why it is not patentable in India? When zero is contributed and the numerals are contributed from India, my friend is expert who is fighting one IPR case, Dr. Thakur. From last 10-year time, even the judges, they don't understand IPR. We are talking about the science. And shaping the future of India, now I will come to my, I am an inventor, I am not a theoretical scientist. Because I have discovered, I have already invented unified science. You know, the death of physics, I always tell the death, I have written 315 article, which is available. I am linked with NASA also. And recently my website was hacked by Pakistanis, and Twitter has sent me the message, NASA has sent tweets for you. I am writing from 2010 onwards. I have unified almost all the sciences. The death of physics has already taken place in 1927. How it has taken place? Physics is based on 3-wire system. Now you have changed that positive, minus and neutral into electromagnets. But in forecasting, because of the Heisenberg principle, you cannot forecast. Only Stephen Hawking is a right scientist who tells, yes, don't talk me about the physics and mathematics, which is understood by only a few scientists. What he is telling is science will come, a unified science will come in the future, which a common man will understand. Now, you know, I have downloaded science that is used by nature or aliens, or you may call him God also. God for those who believe in God. If you want to shape the future, this is your rough shape. You are in the college, and your college should be in position to make you shape like this. You see what is the picture appears in this. See the Barfani Baba in agates. Just I enjoy that thing also. But I have cut it myself. So many devices are there. Now I will tell you about my discovery of the invention. And I have, second thing, I asked the people of the organizer of this conference, tell me a single organization in country which forward the name of Nobel Prize people from India. I applied to Science and Technology Department, I applied to MapCost, I applied to Science Ministry of Earth Science. I am in touch with NASI, I am in touch with your Indian Science Congress also. There is no forum who can see my work and who can forward. I directly applied for the Nobel Prize. I don't need your recommendation because I am IPR holder. IPR holder means I am a freelancer scientist. Today I will go to Singapore. There I will generate $100 billion and job for 1 crore people. How I will develop? I am writing from the time of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I have got full correspondence. I write to all CMs, I write to all PMs also. 4 of my petitions, they are marked by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. He is not aware what is my invention. CM of this state is not aware what is my invention. Now I will tell about my invention. This nature is a big laboratory. Remember that thing. You belong to the Guru Parampara. You belong to the Rishi country. What is Rishi country? What is meditation? Meditation is attunement with nature. You are using this 3G mobile, okay? You have got this 10G mobile here in the body. 10G mobile you have got. Invisible become visible in this mobile. I will tell you, few can see 3 dimensions. And about the 4th dimension, that is the time. Time, it is what is my experience. Now I will tell about I will show you another stone. And I will tell you about the religion also. This is another stone I have cut it. And what it appeared? Om. What is Om? And what is 786 in the Muslims? 786 total comes 21. 21 is 3. Muhammad Sahib has asked the people of the world, if you want to seek knowledge, go up to China. If you want to seek IPR means, go up to China. If you want to seek patent, go up to China. What is Om? Om is, now I was in one astrological sammelan also as a scientist. So I asked the people sitting there, sadhus, there is no difference between the religion and the science. How? I will just define it. In physics, we take 3 factors into account, that is ionosphere, human aura and the magnetic field. And what is Om, A, U, Ma, that is Paramatma, Jivatma and the Prakriti. They are one and the same thing. There is no difference between, now I will tell about the 786 is the same thing. 3 number. What is Shiv Trishul? Shiv Trishul is also, it is written, it is W, you put up a 1, one before W, it becomes Allah. It is Allah Gyan or the... Now the Stephen Hawking is in search of a unified science. Now I will tell you, because I am a forecaster also, and I forecasted tsunami. I can produce my work before any scientific organization. I can discuss with any forum, any scientist of the world, because I send my work to Cambridge University also. I send my work to Nature also. At the Nature, they forwarded my work to Macmillan. And Macmillan admitted, Sonakia, you are original searcher. Original search hardly takes place once in 100 years' time. Then the research comes. It is a writing of Ramayana by Tulsidas, then you get the D.Litt and other degrees. So original search, I can explain it, what is my work. So I decode, now I will tell you what is. God is a Google, Yahoo or AOL search engine, okay. You can download, or it is already downloaded, your tablet is there. CPU of the electromagnetic forces of three things, what ionosphere, earth magnetic and human aura. That CPU or the future blueprint or the past blueprint lies within biosensors. I am member of Biosensors Forum. I am member of International Brain Research Organization, France also. And I am going to leave country also. Because I have given India 10 years time. That is more than sufficient. I have informed almost all the people. Now I have forecasted tsunami. I have written to Atal Bihari Vajpayee at that time, sir, send me the data of Kalpakam. Send me, don't buy field in the Vietnam. What I have written in 2001, in 2004, 60 scientists, our valuable people, they are washed out by tsunami. They are washed out in tsunami. I forecasted that, but all the news appeared in Hindustan Times, which can be produced in court. I have got a website which you can go to it, and this is most simple science, which you can seek under IPR license. If you understand this is a dual technology, I always talk, I delivered lecture in Indian Air Force also. There I delivered in 2009. You will have a threat from Bhakra and Tehri. Earthquake is pending in that region from last 300 years. That my friend will tell in detail, geologist friend. So what will happen? How India will be defeated? India will be defeated if Tehri Dam and the Bhakra Dam breaks up. Threat to Delhi will not be from earthquake, it will be from water. And your Hindon Air Base will be covered by water. Your Jodhpur underbase will be covered by this water. And the same statement is given by Air Chief in 2012. This I am telling. China will attack India at that time. And you have to be very careful. It is a dual technology. So it can be seen under non-disclosure agreement. Non-disclosure matlab, don't misuse it, don't sell it for some cost. Now I will tell you what is patent. Patent means you have to discover a new thing, totally new thing, new idea. It should be commercial. And third should be, it should be non-obvious, means it should be a totally new idea. Now IPR license is there, you see, your college can see, the Stanford University can see, how you can shape the, I have given that projection to Government of India also, how to do it. Well, you know, God doesn't kill anyone, nature or God doesn't kill anyone. Now I will tell you how. Who has made the dams, big dams? Who has made the nuclear reactor? I forecasted Sendai also. Sendai, that nuclear radiation. See my Twitter of 11th November. In the forecast of Obama, I have given all details. And my clock stopped at 2:45 p.m. sharp. And that was the time when whole clock of Japan stopped during that time only. 2:45 p.m. You have to do attunement with nature. Once you are, you know, now I will tell you in a very brief, two types of biosensors appear in this touch scale Android of God. One is a good biosensor of the normal biosensor. Second is a bad biosensor. I can show you the pictures also of the Union Carbide, which I sent it to the Nobel Committee. How you can see that Union Carbide in advance. I will just show you. This is a human body's digital camera to report disasters. Here is an ionosphere plane, here is a gravity plane, here is a force emitter or the human aura plane. The time machine exists within the body only. Time machine. Now I will tell you, 40 inspectors were working with me, and I forecasted age of everyone without asking age from anyone about the Union Carbide. Then they were surprised how it happened. When I can see the past, I can see the future also. This is the time machine. This is quantum theory of gratitude, which exists within the body. The Sun laboratory exists within the body, and consciousness is a Higgs boson. That is the basic thing I write it. Nature is a big library. You need not to carry big bags. Simply all data, almost all 6 lakh genomes are there in the body, and the external reflection of genomes is dermatoglyphics. And in dermatoglyphics exists the biosensors. Okay. Now you track out. It is very easy method, but you have to learn under me for 6 months time. Don't come to me. Learn it through video conferencing. I ask the people of world, if you want to save your country, do. This is a very, now the bad biosensors. This is Ramesh Ahilwar. Date of birth is 1956. Bad biosensors appeared at age of 28. You can go to these people and ask about me. Now total comes the year 1984. Second case which I presented before the Nobel Committee. R.R. Verma, date of birth is 1957. Bad biosensors appeared at the age of 27. This is a template which is already, this is a forewarning system also which is already available in the body. Total comes 1984, Union Carbide case I am telling. This is Sudhir Gaikwad, who is working under me now in ATVN, and his date of birth is 1960. Bad biosensors appeared in his body at the age of 24. This is a Vindhyachal Bhavan building in 1989. I took the picture, 1989. IBM, I have written to people of IBM. Like I write to almost all the chief ministers. I am much worried about Dhanbad. It is 4 to 5 lakh population. They are lying on the coal, burning coal. You know, we can make advanced forecast for 10 years time for the nation. I am ready to do free of cost service for the nation, but where is the forum? Tell me. You have to follow international norms. If you have to shape future of India, you are not following it. They don't know about the patent, they don't know about the IPR, how, unless you go in the foreign, I have published the book also, that is Seeing is Believing First Time in the World, that is available in Google search engine, and that is published by Dorrance Publishing publishers, that Sister Concern Rosedorf, they are the first publisher of book in America. They accepted my work as it is. They refused the work of that two literary people at the time who went to them with the money, but they liked the thing. So this is all about my invention. I already forecasted almost all the events. Even your individual future lies within you. Now people, superstition, most haunted houses or premonition, these are the words common in India. But remember, Americans are two people, they accept as it is. They tell, yes, it is a haunted house. We never tell. Why we never tell? How, I have written in 2003 to Abdul Kalam to introduce National Geographic and such channels in India. Then later on they started the channel. There is no IPR code. My friend is fighting in Jodhpur High Court against Mobile Association of India on one IPR. That's all. Okay. I am like a sea. You can ask 100 questions. And in geology also, I will tell you how to use this science. That is very important. Like mineral deposits, how you can find in advance. Mineral deposit is linked with values. I find out your profitability and loss from this biosensors data. When you will, if IBM people will sit before me, I will tell when you will make the discovery, when you will achieve make achievements in your life in the science also. Artificial intelligence and virtual reality, काल्पनिक वास्तविकता और कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता आपके नेचर में ऑलरेडी है, बॉडी में है. अब उसको आप यूज कैसे करेंगे? जैसे मैं HIV का, आई विल जस्ट टेल अबाउट द HIV एंड एड्स का, या जो भी बीमारी है आपका, हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द आउट ऑफ से फॉर एग्जांपल 1000 साइंटिस्ट आर देयर. आई यूज माय फ्यूचर इमेजिंग टूल एंड आई फाइंड आउट व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू अचीव सक्सेस. So I will put up the people who are going to make achievement in the next year time. Then you will find out that remedy for a particular disease next year. This platform, I am not bothered. I have already written to Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. 2 lakh people will come to India from foreign country. Yes, destiny is also there. I will tell you. Spiritual experiences are also different part. I can discuss about that also. Yes, God exists. I introduce consciousness for first time in science. Otherwise, instrumental science is based on Jala Prakriti or the dead part. But without taking consciousness into science, this consciousness is there. Now you are, I will tell you, are you slave of aliens? Because you have got an aliens template. I don't know about IBM, sir, but I will write about him. I have letter. I was sitting with Dr. S.N. Dwivedi. So one professor from West Bengal came and he told, I am pure Marxist, I don't believe in your this science and that. But I am a scientist, I am not a palmist, but I can tell about you if you want. So he was just sitting beside me. I have written, you are going to get 3 appointments. Only what nonsense you are talking. I am retired professor. I will show you his letter what he has written. I acknowledge your wisdom. When you enter in the school, you are a KG student. After 30 years of experience, don't forget these people. 30 years experience, they are people of wisdom. You do an internet system in the country. If you want to save this country, you are a IPR asset. But write a book about you, sir, also. At least you write one. I spoke to sadhus also because I have seen Shirdi Baba. Pitambara Maharaj, now I am making diversion. Pitambara Maharaj, my father used to sit with him. So these are the forces controlled by aliens, I will tell you, whom you call God, whom you call nature. He appeared before me. Bolne suna ki I was in Nagodeo Nagar at that time. Bolne suna ki I want to eat something from you. So I gave him 16 rupees, he disappeared. He is a son, Ratiya Pitambara. Shirdi Baba came in my life. Yes, I have got a proof. I can prove you. Whatever stones I have cut. Now what is the meaning of this? Don't go by religion or any other things. These are all different aliens flow. What is the meaning of mantra? Now I will tell you something. Mantra is a sending SMS to a particular force. These forces, they come and help you. But your body has to be attuned. 3 type of waves comes from the mind. One is alpha, second is beta, third is theta. when you are in the state of beta and the theta mind, the serotonin comes from your body, which you call happy hormone. Why you are undergoing depression? Because you are not happy. So keep smiling on your face always. The serotonin will come out. Serotonin will come out. That is happy hormone, and you will never feel a sort of depression. Because good and bad period, I will tell you now, good and bad period is written here, whom we call the karma theory in Hindu, or even in Muslims also. Rebirth is also there. You can, everything is correct. But I will tell truth. I was, my Sara Samay was, I used to have the press conferences. In 2010, Sara Samay people told me, 10 crore people are listening to you, America. That doesn't make any difference to you. I am not a man to impress someone. मेरे पास एक सत्य है. I know a truth which I want to tell it to 1 people or 10 crore. It doesn't make any difference. Now, I am very grateful to WTO. I am very grateful to the foreign people. Due to Ford Foundation, my patent is published, my book is published and everything. That's all, sir. Thank you very much.